Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. We are back at CVS and we are about to get into some pretty good deals. We should be able to work through them pretty quickly though. So the first deal I want to talk about is the Crest Whitestrips. So this deal is back, you guys, but it's a little bit different, but it's still a good deal. So these are $24.49 regular price, the noticeably white. And we are getting $15 off this week. I have already price checked them and let me show you the price. So these are actually just $9.49 from $24.49. So I know a lot of us also have CRTs that we can add into this deal. So you can use this $3 off teeth whitening CRT, bringing that down to just $6.49, which is already a good deal. You may also have some additional CRTs that you can add into the mix to bring that down even further. We do have a $5 off digital coupon, but unfortunately it does exclude this product this time around, so I don't think it's going to attach. And if you want to check online, you can probably get these a little bit cheaper. I'll put the online price up on the screen, but if you want to check online and use your extra care bucks online, you can do that as well and grab this product. I'd say upwards of $3.99 online. So good deals everywhere on the Crest Whitestrips. So check those out if that is one of your products. We have a really good moneymaker on the Crest Pro Health and the 3D White. So this week, these are buy 3 for $3.99 each, and then you will get back a $5 extra care buck. We have a $2 off digital coupon, and then we also have $2 off paper coupons from our March P&G. I am also going to add in a 3 off of 12 CRT into this deal. And I also have a 50-cent in-app coupon for Crest toothpaste. So the way this is going to break down is I am going to buy 3 for $3.99. I am going to use 3 $2 off coupons. I am going to use my $3 off 12 CRT, and I'm going to use my 50-cent in-app coupon. I should pay about $2.57 out of pocket, but get back a $5 extra care buck, making these babies not only free, but free plus a $2.40 moneymaker. So yes, we're grabbing 3 of these today. Okay, so now we're going to get started in our paper product deal. And to start this deal, I'm going to start off with the Kleenex. So the Kleenex is a really good deal this week. They are on sale for 99 cents. But you have to be careful because it's only the boxes that are regular price $1.79. So these bigger boxes that are $2.69, don't pick these up. Those are not 99 cents. It's these 60 count, 85 count boxes down here that are actually 99 cents. So last week we had a $1 off of 2 Kleenex CRT that printed for everyone at the red box. If you still have that, you can use that now, or you can use this $1 off of 3 manufacturer coupon. So what I'm going to do is buy 3 boxes of the Kleenex. That will be $2.97. We're going to use this $1 off of 2 CRT and the $1 off of 3 manufacturer coupon. That'll bring our total down to just 97 cents for 3 boxes. Oh, and I forgot to include on the Kleenex deal, if you have the 50-cent in-app coupon, if that comes off as well, you should just pay 47 cents for 3 boxes. So yes, nearly free Kleenex this week. Now to finish off this paper deal, we're going to grab some Charmin and some Bounty next. So the Charmin and Bounty are buy 3 at $4.99 and then get back a $5 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Charmin and 1 of the 2 packs of Bounty. I'll show you what those look like in just a second. We are going to use, you can use the $1 off digital coupons on these, or you can use the $1 off manufacturer coupons from the March P&G. I am also, since I am going to have over $16 worth of paper products, going to use 2 of the $2 off 8. Let me focus. CRTs for toilet paper, paper towels, and facial tissues. So this is going to be a really good deal, and I'll show you the breakdown next. Okay, so here is our full paper product deal. This is a really good deal, you guys. So we got 3 of the Charmin and Bounty products at $4.99. We are going to use the $1 off manufacturer coupons from the P&G, or you can also use the digital coupons. We have 3 of the Kleenex. We are going to use our $1 off of 2 CRT plus our $1 off of 3 manufacturer coupon. And we're going to use 2 of the 2 off of 8 CRTs. After all of these coupons are applied, our total for all 6 products should be just $8.40. $3.44 at the register. And then we're going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making our final out of pocket for these 6 items just $3.44, because we're also going to have that 50-cent off in-app coupon for the Kleenex. $3.44 for all 6 items, y'all. This is like 50, 60 cents an item. Such a good deal. So now let's talk about this deal on the L'Oreal Elvive and the Garnier Fructis. So the L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8 this week, and printing for everyone from the Red Box machine, we have a 2 off of 2 coupon, which brings that down to 2 for 6. And then in today's Retail Me Not, we also have a $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. So that's going to bring those down to just 2 for $2, which is a really good deal. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7, and then when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $2 extra care buck, which makes them like 2 for $5. But we also have a $3 off manufacturer coupon, which also brings those down to just 2 for $2. So each set of these is only $2. However, we also have a 3 off of 12 shampoo and conditioner CRT that you can add into the mix to make this deal even cheaper. So what you can do is buy all 4 bottles, add in this 3 off of 12 CRT. You will end up paying $3 for all 4 bottles after all of those coupons, but then getting back $2 for the Garnier Fructis, making it just $1 for all 4 bottles, or 25 cents each. Now, I am not going to do this deal this week, 1, because I don't need shampoo, and 2, because the L'Oreal will actually be buy 2, get back a $5 extra care buck on next week. So I'm going to hold on to my CRTs and my manufacturer coupons and do this deal on next week, where I think I can work it out a little bit better. So if you need shampoo, 25 cents a piece is a great deal this week. If you can wait, I would hold on until next week. Okay, so now let's do a quick little cosmetics moneymaker. So we're going to start off with the CoverGirl. These are $5.99 if you buy the eyebrow pencils or the eye pencils. They're $5.99, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $6 extra care buck, which already makes them like buy 1 get 1 free. But we have a $3 off printable coupon that you can print today from coupons.com. So you can buy 2, use 2 of these coupons, end up paying $6 and getting back $6, making them absolutely free. But I'm going to make this deal a little bit bigger by adding in another deal. So the deal we're going to add into our CoverGirl deal is on the Paparazzi nail polish. So these are 2 for $5, but they're on an unadvertised deal this week, where if you buy 2, you will get back $4 in extra care bucks. Some of you guys may also have a $1 off Paparazzi CRT, which will make these absolutely free. You can buy 2, use that $1 CRT, pay 4, get back 4, making them free. I don't have that, but I am going to use a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT in our deal. That's still going to make these free plus a moneymaker. So we're going to grab 2. Okay, so here's our quick little cosmetics moneymaker. So I'm going to get 2 of the Paparazzi at 2 for $5 and 2 of the CoverGirl pencils at $5.99. I am going to use a 3 off of 12 CRT, since this will be over $16 in cosmetics for any cosmetics. And then I'm going to use 2 of the $3 off coupons for the eye pencils. We also have digital coupons available for the eye pencils as well. So after those coupons are applied, we're going to pay just $7.98 at the register, but we're going to get back a total of $10 in extra care bucks, $4 for the Paparazzi and $6 for the CoverGirl, making these items not only free, but free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are going to grab today. I am going to do 2 different transactions. So I'm going to do everything except for my Crest Whitestrips in the first transaction, and then in the second transaction, I'm just going to do the Crest Whitestrips. So for the Crest Whitestrips, what I've decided that I'm going to do, since our digital coupons I'm hearing are not working, I am going to buy 2 of them at $9.49, and I'm going to use 2 of these teeth whitening CRTs right here, and I'm going to see if this 3 off of 12 CRT will work, taking off a total of $9 for 2 boxes of them. So what it'll work out to is getting them like buy 1 one, get one free. So I should end up paying like $10 for 2 boxes. And I have downloaded a $10 Fetch Rewards gift card to pay for that second transaction, to pay $10 for both of those, because I think that's a really good deal considering they're almost 25 bucks a piece. And then for everything else that we're going to do, I'm going to do that in my first transaction. I have all of my coupons and CRTs pulled over here. That should be a really good deal. So we'll see how that works out. But I don't think we're going to pay much at all for these other items. So let's go up to the register and see how both of these transactions work. And remember, you can check below for a Google document with written breakdowns of all of these deals. So our first transaction actually came out to absolutely free. We're just paying $2.38 in taxes only. Now we're going to go on to our second transaction, which is our 2 boxes of Crest Whitestrips. Okay, you guys, so that worked out better than I expected, but let's go over what happened, because I think I got an extra discount for something and I'm not sure why. So let's take a peek at my receipt. So here is the Kleenex, there is the Crest Pro Health and the Crest 3D White, there is the Bounty and the Charmin, there is the Paparazzi, and there is the CoverGirl. So I got an extra $1.20 Pharmacare discount for 20% off or something. I have no idea what, but that actually reduced our out-of-pocket by $1.20, and one of my extra care bucks ended up getting reduced because of this. So it all worked out, but I have no idea why I got that discount. You guys can probably tell me. So there are all of our manufacturer coupons. Everything scanned perfectly. Now, I have gotten word that none of the digitals are coming off this morning, and I can tell because my 50% off digital and my Crest in-app digital did not come off, that is probably true. So they're not working. So keep that in mind, that you may want to load up on the paper coupons and have a backup if you are shopping at CVS this Sunday. I'm sure they'll get it resolved later on in the week. So here are all of our manufacturer coupons, and then there are all of our CRTs. So all of the CRTs came off perfectly. There's our 3 off of 12 cosmetics, our 3 off of 12 oral care, and our 2 off of 8 household products, and the $1 off of 2 on the Kleenex worked. So I ended up using a total of, how much is that? 13, 17. So I used a total of $18.69 in extra care bucks, and that is because this $3 beauty buck was reduced down because of this discount. So I ended up using a total of $18.69 in extra care bucks for these 13 items. We had a subtotal of 0, and I just paid $2.38 in tax on a gift card. Y'all, we love when we have 100% savings. So today we saved 100%, saved $63. So now let's take a look at how much we got back after using these $18 in extra care bucks. We got back the $5 for the Charmin and the Bounty. We got back the $5 for the Crest. We got back the $4 for purchasing the 3 Crest products. So what was this? Oh, the $5 for the Crest. That is for, hold on, we got back 2. This is interesting. So this says $5 for purchasing 3 Crest products when you buy 3, and then this says it's a $4 extra care buck reward, but it says $5 too for purchasing 3 Crest. That's interesting. Okay, y'all, so I had to look at that a little bit more closely. So I think what happened is the system had a printing error here. They had to, because this says, look at this, y'all. This says $4, but then it says $5, and it says for Crest as well. And the numbers are the same on these extra care bucks. So I think that was a printing error, and it just printed out twice. I wonder how that's going to work. And then we have the $4 extra care buck for the Paparazzi, and we have the $6 extra care buck for the CoverGirl Cosmetics. So if you don't don't count this additional $4 that printed up here, the duplicate for the Crest, it's still free plus a Moneymaker because we paid $20 in extra cure bucks, really $18.69 in extra cure bucks, and then we got back $20. If you add in this little extra print, it's a real Moneymaker because it's $24, but I don't know how that's gonna scan. Now let's take a look at my second trend. Okay, so this transaction was just the two Crest 3D white strip boxes. So these were original $24.49. We got $15 off of each one of them. I used a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT and then two $3 off the whitening kit CRTs. We ended up paying $9.98. We put that on a gift card and we had an 80% savings, I believe. Saved $39 on these white strip kits. So I think that's a pretty good deal to get 2 boxes of those and just throw it on a Fetch Rewards gift cards because y'all know Fetch is bae. I think is a good idea. All right, you guys, so that concludes our shopping today. I thank you for hanging out with me another week at CVS. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.